Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing for SALOMON ACS CSWP. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Tap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the SALOMON ACS CSWP. So it's a lot of letters there to be saying, but what CSWP means is the Climate Salomon waterproof. So this is a trekking sneaker, trekking shoe, and we got this in the black magnet golden yellow colorway in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. So let's get unboxed right here. Now this is a proper hiking shoe right here. And you can probably use it for trail running, but I would use this for your hikes. Very bulky. I mean, it's not like heavy, but it does the job. I can just tell by looking at this that it does the job for hiking. So you can look at outsole. So right here, you've got an all rubber outsole, but you've got that contra grip right there. So all that traction, you're going to be very well stationed, very well placed every step that you take. Midsole unit, you've got a foam midsole right here. But it uses Salomon's famous ACS, their system of sturdiness right here at the sole unit. And then on the upper is a blend of textile materials. If you want to look at the outer, so you've got like these anti-abrasion paneling here to stop your, so you won't get a lot of scuffs. And you look at the mesh that's underneath, this textile material. So that's actually a waterproof membrane, and the Salomon's very young one. The tongue's very nice padded. You've got these really dope lacing system with like kind of metal eyelets there. Got the cage. If you look at that, and it's on the middle side as well. So that's like part of Salomon's Sensi Fit technology. You got the soft shell. So it's a very soft shell membrane as well. About that built to be waterproof and not get any water in. At the back, you got full tabs with Salomon logo, and looking at the insole, you got an awful light insole for your comfort because you're going to be doing a lot of walking in these shoes. Essentially, that rounds off a really quick review. These look like your prototypical hiking boots, hiking shoes that's needed. Shout out to all you people, cool kings, cool queens, you know who you are, wearing it. I mean, this is the first time I'm going to wear it, and I can tell that I'm going to be using these a lot for my hikes. I found out in my 30 plus years that I do lots of hiking nowadays. It's a nice way to relax and get some form of exercise. So all that said, let's try these Salomons on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I typically get half a size up what I usually wear, but for Salomon, I do get UK size 8. I wear Nike, New Balance, I wear 7.5. However, for Salomon, I do wear a size 8. That's because I take into consideration if I'm wearing thick socks. That's just myself. That's how I like to feel. And obviously, these are kind of for hiking. All that said, very comfortable, very sturdy. It's what you need in a hiking shoe. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.